In this video, I'm going to teach you how to stitch an insole with a flatbed industrial machine. An insole with a flatbed industrial machine like this. I've already prepared. This is an insole, so I'm not going to just stitch it straight. We are going to form a design with it on the flatbed machine. So let's get right into it. So now, first of all, I advise you to get a plain paper. So insole you place your insole on the paper, then you first of all mark it out. Straight. After marking it out, then you can cut it. So now this is the paper. So you can choose to creatively draw any pattern, any design you want on your insole. So for instance, now, just like I showed you on the other insole, so you can do something like this. So the reason why you need to draw, if you are not that perfect in using a flatbed industrial machine, you might consider drawing your designs on a plain paper first before you can transfer it to your insole. So when it gets to this point, so this is mine. You can change your own. This is mine. So you can decide to do your own differently, but make sure it's what you can stitch, the design you can stitch conveniently. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my puncher. I'll punch this place just to trace the lines. I use my puncher to punch these places just to trace the line. So that's the points I'm going to use to mark out my insole, because I'm going to place it on it. So now this is what I have. I've already punched the lines. If you can see, if you join it like this, so the next thing you do is just to place this on your insole. Place it, make sure no side is overlapping. So when you place it on it, you now use your marker to mark this point like this. Mark out all your points round your insole. So when you mark out all your points, it will now be like this. Then you now trace the points, join them. So that's how you stitch it around. So this is it. So the next thing to do is for you to go over to your machine and stitch it. we have finished. This is it. It's very simple, super simple. I hope you enjoyed the video because it's very simple. It's what you can do at home. Please, if you are here for the first time, consider subscribing. Please subscribe, share and like my video. Give me a thumbs up. Turn on the notification bell. Don't forget, please turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post any video, you will always see it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Until I come your way next time, bye for now.